Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the Gmail app on your PC. Now, you might be wondering, why are we talking about updating Gmail through your browser? That's because Gmail isn't a standalone program you install on your computer. It's actually a web app that runs inside your browser, which means keeping your browser updated is the key to making sure Gmail always works smoothly, securely, and with the latest features. So let's go through these steps together. First, open Google Chrome, since that's the most common browser for Gmail users. If it's already your default browser, just click on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar to launch it. Once Chrome is open, move your eyes to the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the Chrome menu button. Go ahead and click on those dots. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option called Help. This will expand another menu. In this list, select About Google Chrome. The moment you click on that, Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. This process usually takes just a few seconds. If a new version is available, Chrome will either update itself right away or show you an update button that you can click to begin the process. Most of the time, the update happens in the background without any extra steps. Once the update has been installed, Chrome might ask you to relaunch the browser. Don't skip this step. Clicking Relaunch ensures all the new security patches and features are fully applied. When Chrome reopens, it will be running the latest version, and by extension, your Gmail app will also be updated. Now, you may be asking, why is this necessary for Gmail specifically? The answer is simple. Because Gmail is a web-based application, its performance and features are directly tied to your browser. Many of Gmail's improvements, like interface changes, security enhancements, and new tools, only appear properly if your browser supports them. That's why keeping Chrome updated is the best way to make sure Gmail stays fast, secure, and reliable. To wrap things up, always make it a habit to check for Chrome updates regularly. It's not just about Gmail. It's about your entire browsing experience. An updated browser means smoother performance, stronger protection from online threats, and a better overall experience when using web apps like Gmail. And that's it. You've now learned how to keep your Gmail app up to date on your PC by making sure your browser is current. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech guides.